Hello everyone.
You might be wondering why I'm doing a bunch of Subway Surfers videos. Well, let me explain. It started off with me getting Hammy B in the Subway Surfers Classic update because I was bored. When I got her, I was surprised in myself, so I got the 50 ads deal, and as the updates came and go, I started getting all of the Floor is Lava characters. San Francisco 2024 Floor is Lava was Lily, Hollywood was Rudy Rascal, and Paris 2024 was Leo, and New Orleans 2024 was Pins. I started doing this not for attention or views, but yet for my interest and entertainment. And my channel is Roblox Life, not Subway Surfers Life, but Roblox videos are hard to make, and I'm not saying I'm becoming a Subway Surfers channel, but more of a everything channel. Anyway, I hope you understand, and not saying I'm no longer doing Roblox videos, I actually don't really know, but still. I can't quit something I looked up to. So I'll maybe continue to do Roblox. Hope you understand. At the end of the day, whatever makes you guys happy makes me happy. Now that we are done with that, let's talk about the future. Paris 2024 and the current update in August 2024, aka New Orleans 2024, I have been getting more than just Floor is Lava characters, which is wholesome. But I don't guarantee that that will be the same for the next few updates. Cause I love being lazy. But who knows what will happen upon time. Maybe I'll finally learn something and stop being a skinny, lazy pretzel and work both real life and through internet. But until then, am I right? Ha ha ha. That goofy, I'll laugh. Oh, by the way, I am making a new video and it is called Robber X Spy, and it's so cool. By the way, it's Roblox, so maybe I'm not done with Roblox after all. Darn notification. Anyway, who else noticed? I have been making songs. Okay, we don't care about that, okay? That's all I had to say. Sorry for the mess up. Enjoy the rest of the video. Love you guys.